Welcome to GCLD Technologies. Can we test .NET based web application using Selenium with Java? Yes, we can test .NET based web application or any other technology based web application using Selenium with Java. Say, all of you familiar with this concept. Selenium supports functional testing of web applications. Web applications. Web applications. Say, Selenium supports 6 programming languages: Java, Python, C Sharp, Ruby, next JavaScript and Kotlin. You can use any one of those languages for writing your Selenium test cases. Say some students are asking me, can we test .NET based application using Java? Next, Java based web application using .NET means C Sharp with Java, Selenium. Yes, say here web application technology, web application developed technologies doesn't matter. If it is .NET based web application or Java based web application or any other technology based web application, you can test with Java using any supported language. We can test Java based web application using Selenium with Python. Next, .NET based web application using Selenium with Java, no issue. Thank you.